on, go get me another one. I'm trying to watch. Just relaxing on the couch. Good thing I'm not in jail. Hey, buddy, bro, are you smoking? That's what looks like. Wow, son, you are just like Daddy. See? Huh? So you want me to smoke? Okay, I will leave you alone. But now what do you want? Oh, I'm just asking Mom for cigarettes because I'm getting very drunk, just like you. Dad. Really? Okay, I'll give you one. Here you go. Thank you, Dad. I guess this is the last one. Wait. Dad, where's the lighter? My wish is mine. Come on. Here's the lighter. Bruh, really, Dad? You gave me a 50-year-old lighter that has a like a key or something to have made a lighter. I don't want this. I want a new one. But this is the only lighter I can find. And you just smoke like 20 of them. 5 minutes later for searching. Here you go. I found a lighter. Oh, good. Wait, what the? Where's my cigarette? Ha ha ha, buddy. No more, because it's bedtime. Dad! Fine, I'll go to bed. Hey guys, I'm back home with my new colorful hair from the salon. Well, I know that's long, but I don't want it cut. Why is there a lot of cigarettes in the water with cigarettes? It must be my husband. I'll go talk to him. Babe, wake up. Hey, baby, what are you doing? Oh, I'm here because come look at this mess. So tired. Now, babe, explain this mess. Oh, shoot. Sorry, babe. It doesn't what it looks like. Babe, you just... Babe, really? You just get 20 cigarettes and put it all over the couch? Yeah? I'm going back to my bed. Oh, you're not going anywhere. I'm gonna get you. What's that sound? Wait. Ow! 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 Is that Dad?